Hi there, I'm Rita, and I'd love to tell you more about myself and the amazing family I'm a part of. Firstly, let me share a bit about my daily routine. As a morning person, I start my day early. The gentle rays of the morning sun and the soothing warmth of a cup of tea bring a sense of calm and positivity to my mornings. I find this quiet time perfect for reflection and setting the tone for the day ahead. Now, on to my family, the heart and soul of my world. My mum is the anchor of our home. She's not only an incredible cook, but also the one who ensures that our family stays connected and happy. Her warm smiles and comforting presence make every day brighter. My dad is my role model. He works tirelessly to provide for us, and he teaches me the importance of hard work and dedication. His guidance and support are invaluable, and I cherish the moments we spend together, whether it's helping me with homework or sharing stories from his own life. I have a younger sister who is a ball of energy. She's always up for fun and games, and her laughter is contagious. Our home is filled with joy and laughter whenever she's around. On the other hand, my younger brother is a bit of a bookworm. He loves diving into the world of books and often shares fascinating facts and stories he discovers. Evenings in our home are special. We gather around the dinner table to share our experiences and thoughts from the day. It's a time for bonding, where we discuss everything from the mundane to our big dreams and plans for the future. These moments strengthen our family bonds and create lasting memories. In our free time, we often engage in activities together. Whether it's a movie night, a family outing, or simply playing board games, these moments help us unwind and enjoy each other's company. Life with my family is a beautiful journey, filled with love, laughter, and unwavering support. I feel incredibly fortunate to be surrounded by such wonderful people who make every day special. My mom, the heart of our home, not only excels in the kitchen, but also has a green thumb. Our house is adorned with her beautiful collection of plants, creating a soothing and vibrant atmosphere. She often tends to her garden, and the fresh flowers she picks find a place on our dining table, adding a touch of nature to our daily lives. In contrast to my energetic sister, my younger brother has a quiet passion for science. His room is a mini laboratory filled with intriguing experiments and a telescope for stargazing. He never hesitates to share fascinating facts about the universe, turning our casual conversations into captivating learning experiences. As for my dad, he has a hidden talent for storytelling. On lazy Sunday afternoons, he gathers us around, and with animated gestures and a twinkle in his eye, he weaves tales that transport us to different worlds. These storytelling sessions have become cherished family traditions, creating a bond that transcends generations. In our home, weekends are often reserved for family outings. Whether it's a trip to the local park for a picnic or a visit to the nearby museum, these adventures create lasting memories. We document these moments through photographs, creating a family album that reflects our shared experiences and the growth we've witnessed together. During the holidays, we come together to celebrate with enthusiasm. Our home is adorned with festive decorations, and the aroma of Mum's special holiday dishes fills the air. These occasions are marked by laughter, shared meals, and the exchange of thoughtful gifts, making each celebration a joyous and memorable event. Beyond our individual interests, there's a thread of shared hobbies that binds us together. Board game nights are a favourite in our home. We gather around the table, and whether it's the friendly competition of Monopoly or the strategic challenges of chess, these game nights are filled with laughter, good-natured banter, and a healthy dose of sibling rivalry. Music is another integral part of our household. From the soulful tunes that Mum plays on the piano to the impromptu family sing-alongs in the living room. Our home resonates with melodies that reflect the diverse tastes within our family. Evenings often find us creating our own mini-concerts, each of us taking turns showcasing our favorite songs and discovering new genres together. One unique tradition we have is our memory jar. Throughout the year, we jot down little moments of joy, achievements, or heartwarming experiences on colourful pieces of paper. As the year comes to a close, we open the jar and read these notes, reliving the special moments that made the year memorable. It's a simple yet powerful way to appreciate the beauty of everyday life. Education is a shared value in our family. We often find ourselves engaged in lively discussions about books, current events, and fascinating documentaries. These intellectual exchanges not only broaden our horizons, but also strengthen the bonds of understanding and respect among us. And then there are the cozy Sunday mornings when the aroma of pancakes and the sound of sizzling bacon fill the air. The kitchen becomes a hub of activity as we all chip in to create a hearty breakfast feast. These moments of collaboration not only result in delicious meals, but also in a sense of teamwork and togetherness. Our family, like any other, has its ups and downs, but it's the shared laughter during game nights, the warmth of our storytelling sessions, and the love woven into the fabric of our daily lives that make it truly special. Life with my family is an ongoing story, a mosaic of experiences, traditions, and the unconditional love that binds us together. Thank you for being a part of our shared narrative. Stay safe, stay inspired. With gratitude, Goodish Stories Channel.